Hi, I'm Dr. Lauren Savage with Noah's Ark Animal Clinic. I'm here today to talk to you about one of the most important things we can do for our pets, which is getting them spayed and neutered. So the best time to get our pets spayed and neutered is when they're young. There is a significantly decreased risk of bleeding with surgery, and also the recovery is just much faster when they're young, but there's no wrong age to do it. When it comes to getting our pets spayed and neutered, there are a lot of different health benefits. For our female pets, we decrease the risk of breast cancer that can develop later in life and is more likely as they have more heat cycles. We also eliminate the risk of a pyometra, which is a life-threatening infection we can see in the uterus. When it comes to male pets, we see the elimination of the risk for testicular tumors. We see a decreased risk for prostatic disease, such as infections or hyperplasia. We also see a decreased risk for different diseases that are associated with high testosterone, such as perianal hernias. Before getting our pets spayed or neutered, it's important that they have an exam with a veterinarian to make sure that they're healthy to undergo the procedure. This exam would involve listening to their heart and lungs to make sure that they don't have any evidence of a murmur, making sure that they're just generally healthy. We're also going to want to check some blood work to make sure that their kidney and liver values are okay and that everything's safe as far as undergoing anesthesia. When you drop your pet off for surgery, they're going to get a quick final exam before undergoing anesthesia to make sure that nothing's changed since the last time we saw them. They'll then get a medication to help with pain and anxiety before going back to our surgery area. Once it's their turn, we're going to put them under general anesthesia so that they can't feel anything during surgery. It's a little bit more invasive for our female pets than for our males. But once the surgery is over, we'll take them to our recovery area where we monitor them, make sure that they're not painful or uncomfortable, and that they're recovering smoothly after anesthesia. Once they've recovered, we'll send them back to our runs where they hang out until you're ready to come pick them up. Getting our pets spayed and neutered is not going to change their behavior. They'll still be the same dog or cat that they were beforehand. They'll still be the same excitement or affectionate level as they were beforehand. They may be a little quiet for the first few days after surgery, but after that, they should return to their normal behaviors. Our male pets may be less likely to roam or escape the yard after surgery, but otherwise we'll see no significant change in their behaviors. After getting spayed or neutered, your pet may be a little bit less likely to eat and may be a little bit more quiet or lethargic for the first couple days after surgery. Usually after about 3 to 5 days, most pets have returned to their normal activity and appetite level. Thanks for listening to this Medical Minute and getting your pet spayed or neutered to help them have a lifetime of good health.